It's time to release some new items, and let me just tell you, this one is probably, oh gosh, I don't know if this is my favorite or that one's my favorite. Too many options, let me just tell you. Boom. First of all, we have this awesome, amazing heart-edged A2 card base. And let me just tell you right off the bat, I jam-packed it. So not only does it have the gorgeous hearts and dots all the way around and scallops, it says, I am grateful for your love, I love you, and you make my heart smile. There's also layering dies in here as well, which are really fun, including one that is line, dot, line, dot, line, dot. So much fun. Now, wait till you see the samples on this. Keep in mind, my friends, the circle-edged one that we released as a limited edition in December flew out the door, sold out as fast as ever. So make sure you get in on this one on the flash sale ASAP, because chances are it's going to sell out. Also, we are releasing, and I realize it doesn't look like much here, but stay tuned because it's another tri-background Slimline card. And the fun thing about the Slimline tri-backgrounds is you can interchange these. So if you wanted to say love, great. But what if you want to have dots in the background? Boom, grab the tri-basic. Or what if you want flowers at the top? Use that panel instead. Or what if you want those swirls with those? Or what if you want the swirls with the dots? You get to mix and match. We have others. We have the Happy Halloween. Look how cute that is. Hello. Or we have the 4th of July options. Or we have the Merry Christmas. And don't worry, there's going to be lots more, so go check that out. Now, I have more samples to share with you on that one. We also are releasing this amazingly beautiful, I don't even know what we call this oval heart background, which doesn't even do it justice. It has these 3 ovals. This fits on an A2 background, by the way. We have these 3 ovals with hearts intertwined. And then we gave you all these heart dies, because once you die cut this, you die cut the hearts and put them on top of those other hearts. Let me just tell you, it's stunning. And the samples here's one sample right here just staring at me. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful with the black and the red? The Love You is from the Heart Gatefold card. Just stunningly beautiful. I absolutely love it. And more samples are coming. Also, we are releasing, how appropriate that we're releasing this at Valentine's time. 4 epoxy dot reds that match our colors, because you know what, you can never have too many epoxy dots. Let me tell you, Katie is always getting into my epoxy dots, so I always have to replenish. But look at how gorgeous those are, you guys. It's our red color palette. So fun, fun, fun. Let's jump into the samples. Look at how beautiful that A2 card base is, you guys. Look at that cutout. It's almost similar to a doily. It's just so beautiful. Here's another one. You make my heart smile. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that so fun? Both of those word phrases come in the card base. I know, right? Ooh, look, you could also do it a side fold if you didn't want to do the top fold. Isn't that amazing? Lots of options with this one. And don't think of hearts as just for Valentine's. It's for your BFF. It's for one of your friends. It's for somebody you care about, that you just want them to know that you really do care about them and you love them. Here's another gorgeous one. Look at that. So beautiful. Extra hearts all over it. So fun. I love you. I love that. Now, let's look at some more. Ooh, we even have an orange one with our cute little bear. So cute. Here's, oh, why not just use the words by themselves, right? Who's saying you can't do that? Also, notice this. This is just part of the hearts. See these hearts right here? Cut that up a little bit. Now you just made yourself a border. Genius, right? Now, are you ready for a sneak peek for the future? This is a sneak peek if you're watching this when these first come out. But look at how cute that is. Besties. I love that. Besties. Let's move over and check out our fun ovals. Look at those cute little hearts. And look at this one. Totally different colors, you guys. I want you to notice, and let me get that other heart one. I want you to notice the same die set, totally different colors. 4 totally different ideas, options, different things, different ways to use them. And you know what? The best part, there's more on the website. Oh, I love this one. I love that one. Okay, now let's jump in to our Slimline Love. Love you. Isn't that fun? That's using the skinny mini alphabet. Now let's grab that other one that we had because I want you to see how awesome, or oh, did I already leave it over here? I want you to see how fun these are. There's another one. Love. Let me see. Love. Oh, and with more of like the basic one down there. So you're not even using the swirls down there. Hearts here. Oh, and this one's a shaker, you guys. Hello. Make it a shaker with that love. I love that. Let's move over here. Ooh, here's a fun one. Love. Oh my goodness, you guys. So many options. Oh, or just use the love by itself on a regular card. Right? You can totally do that as well. Here's another one. So beautiful with the rainbow love. I love it. No pun intended. And here's another beautiful one. Look at that. Now, club members, you know the deal. Usually the first 24 hours, a new item is on our website. They're on flash sale. And club members get their discount on top of the flash sale. It's like double discount. It's pretty amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video because chances are you might want to join. Thanks so much and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.